Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo 15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording quality on this device. Alright, so to do this, first you have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find additional settings. Here we have to click on the screen recording, and now as you can see in the display section we have video resolution, and right here we can change quality of our screen recordings. So we can set it to high, medium, low, or create a custom one. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!